Hello.
Let's talk.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Confident English podcast, a cozy space where learning English feels easy and confident. I am your host, Sophie.
And I am Alex. Hello, Sophie. How are you today?
I am very well. Thank you, Alex. I am very happy to be here today. The sun is shining. How are you doing?
Let me think. I'm doing great, actually. I had a big cup of coffee this morning, so I have a lot of energy. I'm ready to learn English.
A big cup of coffee. That is a good start. Before we start our lesson, please remember our little rule.
Oh yes, our little rule. Please, everyone, click the subscribe button right now.
Exactly. Please subscribe, click like, and share this video with your family and your friends. It helps the channel a lot. We really love making these videos for you.
We do. Reading your comments makes us very happy. Now, Sophie, what are we talking about today? What is the topic?
Today's topic is very important. Today we're learning how to answer the big question, tell me about yourself.
Tell me about yourself. Wow. You know, Sophie, sometimes that question is scary.
I know. Many students say, oh no, what do I say? But don't worry, everybody. It is actually very easy.
Yes, we will make it very simple for you. We will take it step by step. Step by step.
Exactly. We will show you how to talk about your name, your country, your home, your family, your pets, your food, and your hobbies. Everything. Are you ready, Alex?
I am absolutely ready. Let's get started.
Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is your name. Alex, tell me about yourself. What is your full name?
My full name is Alexander Miller, but everyone calls me Alex.
Alexander Miller. Let's see. Miller. How do you spell your last name, Miller?
I spell it M-I-L-L-E-R, Miller.
M-I-L-L-E-R. Wow, that is a very nice name. And Alex is your nickname?
Yes, nickname. Nickname, a short name. My nickname is Alex. What about you, Sophie? What is your full name?
My full name is Sophie DuPont.
DuPont. That sounds very elegant. Let me try to spell it. Is it D-U-P-O-N-T?
Yes, exactly. D-U-P-O-N-T. DuPont. Do you have a nickname, Sophie? Actually, yes. My friends call me Soph. S-O-H-F. Soph.
Soph. That is very cute. Okay, number 2. Origin. Sophie, where are you from?
I am from France. I'm French.
France. Wow, that is cool. France is a beautiful country in Europe.
Yes, it is a very beautiful country. I love France. I speak French and English. What about you, Alex? Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I'm Canadian.
Canada. That is a very big country. Let's spell Canada. C-A-N-A-D-A. Canada.
Yes, and in Canada, we also speak English and French. But my French is, well, it's only okay.
Your French is very good, Alex. Don't worry.
Thank you, Soph. Now, let's talk about our homes. Canada is huge, but actually, I don't live in Canada right now.
Oh, really? Where do you live now?
I live in London. I live in a small apartment. Let me spell apartment. A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T. Apartment.
A small apartment in London. London is a big city, right?
Yes, it is a very big and noisy city. N-O-I-S-Y. Noisy. There are cars everywhere. Beep, beep.
Do you live in an apartment, Sophie? No, I do not. I live in a house. 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 I live in a quiet house in the country.
A quiet house in the country. Quiet. Quiet. That sounds very relaxing. Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a big green garden with lots of trees. Okay, let's move to number 4. Let's talk about birthdays. Alex, when is your birthday?
My birthday is in November. November. November.
Ah, November. It is very cold in November. It's autumn.
Yes, it is very cold. I wear a big coat and a hat. What about you, Sophie? When is your birthday?
My birthday is in April. April, the month of April.
Oh, that is cool. A spring birthday. Spring. Spring. The flowers are beautiful in April.
Yes, I love spring. It's my favorite season. 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 What is your favorite season, Alex?
My favorite season is summer. Summer. I love the hot sun.
Now, let's talk about work. This is very important when you meet someone. Alex, what do you do? What is your job?
I am a teacher. Teacher. I teach English.
Wow, that is a great job. A teacher. You help people learn every day.
Yes, I love my job. I talk to students all day. What do you do, Sophie? What is your job?
I am a graphic designer. Let's spell that. Graphic. Graphic. Designer. Designer.
A graphic designer. That is very interesting. You make art.
Yes, exactly. I use a computer every day to draw pictures and make websites.
So you sit at a desk all day.
Yes, I sit a lot. That's why I like to walk in my garden after work.
That is healthy. Okay, let's talk about family next. Sophie, tell me about your family. Is your family big or small?
My family is small. 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 I have one brother. 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 Just one brother and no sisters.
One brother. That's nice. Is he older or younger?
He is older. He's my big brother. What about you, Alex? Do you have a small family?
Oh, no, I don't. I have a very, very big family. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers.
Wow, 3 sisters and 2 brothers? That is 5 people. That is a very big family.
Yes, my house was very loud when I was young. Always people talking and running, but I loved them very much.
Do you have any pets, Alex? Animals in your home? Pets? Pets?
Oh, yes, I love pets. I have a dog, Dog, dog. His name is Buster, Buster, Buster.
A dog! Buster! That's a cool name. Dogs are very playful. Is he a big dog or a small dog?
He is a very big dog, and he's brown. He likes to run in the park. Do you have a dog, Selfie?
No, actually, I don't have a dog. I have a cat. 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 Her name is Luna. Luna.
Luna the cat. I like cats, but I prefer dogs. Dogs are more fun.
And I prefer cats. They are very quiet and calm. 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 Luna just sleeps on my sofa all day.
Let's talk about things we like. Everybody likes food. Sophie, what is your favorite food?
Oh, let me see. My favorite food is pasta. Pasta. I love hot Italian pasta with tomatoes.
Yum! Pasta is delicious. Delicious. Delicious.
It really is. What is your favorite food, Alex? What do you like to eat?
My favorite food is sushi. 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 I love cold rice and fresh fish.
Wow, sushi. That is very fresh and healthy. Do you drink coffee or tea with your sushi?
No coffee with sushi. I drink water, water. But in the morning, I love black coffee.
I prefer tea. T-E-A. Tea. I drink green tea every morning.
That is very nice. Now, what about colors? What is your favorite color? C-O-L-O-R. Color.
My favorite color is yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow, like the bright sun.
Yellow is a very happy color. Are you wearing yellow today?
Actually, no. Today I'm wearing a white shirt. W-H-I-T-E. White. And blue jeans. What is your favorite color, Alex?
My favorite color is blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Like the sky.
Blue is nice. Are you wearing blue today?
Yes, I am. I am wearing a blue sweater. S-W-E-A-T-E-R. Sweater. Because, remember, London is cold.
Yes, very true. Let's talk about free time. Alex, what do you do in your free time? What is your hobby? H-O-B-B-Y. Hobby.
I like to play sports. I play tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. I play tennis every Saturday.
Tennis? That is very active. You must run a lot.
Yes, I run a lot. It keeps me healthy. What about you, Sophie? What is your hobby? What do you do for fun?
In my free time, I like to read books. R-E-A-D. Read. Books. I read a book every night before bed.
That's cool. Reading books is very relaxing. Do you listen to music? M-U-S-I-C. Music.
Yes, I love jazz music. J-A-Z-Z. Jazz. It is very smooth.
Okay, so you like reading and jazz, and I like tennis and sushi. But what do you not like? What do you dislike? D-I-S-L-I-K-E. Dislike.
Let's see. That's a good one. Actually, I do not like early mornings. E-A-R-L-Y. Early. I do not like to wake up at 6 a.m. I like to sleep late.
Early mornings are very difficult. I understand completely. I need my coffee to wake up.
Exactly. What about you, Alex? What do you dislike?
I do not like cold weather. C-O-L-D. Cold. I don't like the snow. S-N-O-W. Snow.
Wait. You don't like cold weather? But you are from Canada.
I know. It is very funny. Canada is very cold, and it has a lot of snow. But I like hot weather. I like the beach.
Okay, one last thing. Let's talk about travel. Where do you want to go? What is your dream country?
Oh, I want to visit Japan. J-A-P-A-N. Japan. I want to eat real sushi there.
Japan, that is wonderful. I want to visit Italy. I-T-A-L-Y. Italy. I want to eat real Italian pasta.
We both want to travel for food. That is fantastic.
Okay, those are great examples, Alex. Now our listeners know how to talk about many things. They know how to talk about their name, their country, their family, their hobbies, and their favorite food.
Yes, we covered so much. But Sophie, I have a question. How do we use this in real life? When do we say all this?
That is a very important question. It depends. I-T-D-E-P-E-N-D-S. It depends on the situation.
Can you give me an example? What if I am at work?
Good. Let's talk about formal situations. Formal. F-O-R-M-A-L. Like at work or in a job interview. In a formal situation, keep it short. Talk about your name, your country, and your job.
Ah, I see. Let me practice. Hello, My name is Alexander Miller. I am from Canada, and I am an English teacher.
Exactly. Very professional. 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 You do not need to talk about your dog or your favorite color at a job interview.
Right. No dog stories at work. But what if I'm at a party? What if I'm meeting new friends?
That is an informal situation. Informal. Informal. At a party with friends, you can talk about your hobbies, your pets, and the food you like.
Okay, let me try again. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Canada, but I live in London. I love dogs, I play tennis on Saturdays, and I love eating sushi. Do you like sushi?
Yes, perfect. That is perfect for making new friends. You asked a question at the end to keep the conversation going.
It feels very natural. Do you have any advice for our beginner students, Sophie? Speaking English can be scary. Scary. Scary.
Yes, I have 3 pieces of advice. My first advice is keep it simple. Keepitsimple. Keep it simple. Do not use long, difficult words. Short sentences are perfect. I am French. I like cats. Very simple.
Keep it simple. I love that. You don't need big words to be understood.
My second advice is about your body. Be friendly and smile. 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 When you smile, people relax. It makes your voice sound happy and confident.
That is so true. When I smile, I feel better. And my advice, number 3, is don't be afraid to make mistakes. 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 It is okay if you forget a word. It is okay if your grammar is not 100% perfect.
Exactly. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. Native speakers make mistakes too.
Yes, we do. So, keep it simple, smile, and don't be afraid. You can do this. We believe in you.
Well, Alex, look at the time. We learned a lot today.
We really did. We practiced talking about ourselves for a long time.
We talked about names, nicknames, cities, jobs, family size, pets, hobbies, and even travel dreams.
Now, it is your turn. Yes, you, listening right now. It is your turn to practice.
Yes, we have a special task for you. Here is the question of the day. We want you to introduce yourself. Please write in the comments below. What is your favorite food and what is your hobby?
Let me repeat the question of the day clearly. What is your favorite food and what is your hobby? Tell us in the comments. You can say, my favorite food is, and my hobby is. I will read all of the comments.
Me too. I love reading your sentences. It makes me so proud.
Thank you so much for listening to the Confident English podcast today. You did a great job.
Yes, fantastic job, everyone. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Stay safe, have a wonderful week, and keep practicing, everyone.
Goodbye for now. See you next time.